Hey, it's a Super Bowl week and this is the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Elizabeth and today I'm bringing you a football themed treat to go with that fun game you're watching. So today we're going to use our oil soluble extracts to flavor the chocolate and make football themed cake bites. And I'm going to do the strawberry chocolate flavor today. Let's get started. I have around 3 cups of crumbled up leftover cake. So I just crumbled it with my hands. You can use a food processor if you like, but it's so much easy and it's fun doing it with your hands, so go for it. And then I have 1 cup of chocolate ganache here. You can use buttercream as well, but I always feel ganache actually sets a little more easier and makes the cake bite stronger, so I would like to use that. So I'm gonna drop in around half a cup at first and then go from there. So you can do this process in the stand mixer or in your hand mixer as well, but like I said, it's so much fun to put your hand in there and do it. So you can do this with your kids and it's super fun. And I know they make a mess always. It's the same with my daughter at home. She loves to play with all the baking stuff, but she makes a mess. And I don't care because it's so much fun to spend time with your kids this way. It's so much hands-on and it's fun and interactive. So go for it and just blend it in like this. Look at that cake. It's chocolate cake with chocolate frosting, and if you're a chocolate fan, this is something you cannot keep your hands off. It's getting all smushy and coming together. I'm gonna drop in like maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons more because I feel it needs a little more to really bind it. So the consistency that we're looking for here is really smooth, and if it comes together in a ball when you roll it and without any cracks, that's what you're looking for, and knead it till then because you want to get that football shape right, and if you have cracks in it, it'll look weird. Let me just show you what we're looking for here. It's this consistency where you can really make a ball with it. See that? That's what we're looking for. Now that we have our cake all smushed up, and now we're going to roll it into little food balls. So if you want like uniform size balls, it's better that you use something to measure it. I like to go by around a tablespoon for each ball, or 2 maybe. So I'm just going to start with 1 tablespoon and see how it goes. I think it's a good size because when you dip it in chocolate, it's going to have another layer and look bigger. So yeah, this is a good size. So now it's time to roll it into mini food balls. And you want to like pinch the ends so that it has that classic football shape. And I have a tray here lined with parchment paper. I'm going to put it in here. And after I'm done with the whole batch, I'm going to refrigerate it for maybe half an hour or like at least 15 minutes. I have a couple of the football cake bites ready here to go in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Let's take a look at them after they're done. So our cake bites have chilled for like solid 15 minutes, and now you can see that they come pretty easily off from the parchment paper. So that's what we're looking for. Now we're gonna dip them in melted chocolate and chill them again. So I have a bowl of melted dark chocolate. If you use a good quality chocolate, it's going to reflect in the treat that you make. So go for a good quality. It'll give you a nice coating of chocolate that's really tasty. At the same time, you can feel the quality in there and it's so much easier to handle. Now the magic is going to happen because I'm going to flavor it. And to flavor it, we can actually use any of our oil soluble extracts, but with chocolate, I like to pair it with something tart so that it cuts through the sweetness of the chocolate. And my go-to would be something berry. So berry in the sense raspberry or strawberry. So I have strawberry in here and it's so nice, and The tartness of this extract is so good to go with the sweetness and the depth of the chocolate. So I'm going to add a few drops of our strawberry oil soluble extract in here. And remember, a few drops go a long way. That's all we need. And of course, because it's oil soluble, your chocolate will be intact. It won't change consistency or texture. It'll be all good and it'll be flavored. So I'm gonna dunk these cake bites in here with this tool here. You can use a toothpick, or also you can just use a regular fork to do it. I'm gonna just dunk it like this and use this tool to navigate my way through and take it out. Just make sure when you take it out, you have the side that you want like on top, to be on top, like facing you. Otherwise, when you put it on, you'll have the top part all smudged and it won't look pretty. And we can keep it back on the tray after you tap off the excess chocolate. And you can use a spoon or a knife to help you, or a spatula. I have a spatula here, I can do that with a spatula. There you go. That's good. And now I'm going to repeat the same thing with all the cake bites and chill it for again maybe like 15 minutes tops. That will be the only time you need until these beauties are ready, and we can then decorate them. So our last cake bite has been dunked and taken out. The options that you can do for flavoring your chocolate is actually unlimited in here, because we have a whole set of oil soluble extracts. You can do anything that you prefer, that your flavor preferences like. You can do orange cream, you can do passion fruit, something wild like maybe dragon fruit, toasted coconut. Oh my god, the options are so many that's so difficult to choose from. Now we are gonna put them in the refrigerator, chill them for like 15 minutes tops, and bring it out and do the final decoration on it. I have some melted white chocolate in here, and I'm gonna do the stitches on the food ball with it. I'm gonna take a food ball, then do this side first and do the next side, and then do the middle part so that I have an idea. Easy peasy. So I'm going to repeat that on all of these cake bites, and we are going to have football themed strawberry chocolate cake bites. We finished decorating the cake bites, and now for final 2 minutes in the refrigerator and it's all done. So here are our football cake bites all ready, and now I'm gonna take a bite and see how it is. It tastes really like chocolate and strawberry, and that's what we were looking for. So I really wish you guys would make this at home. It's super easy, and if you have leftover cake, this is one amazing way to convert them into little bite-sized treats and make them for Super Bowl and have it with friends and family. Have fun, and when you do, tag us on our social media profiles at Amoretti on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Also, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and follow. Thank you. Have a wonderful game, you guys.